Hello, welcome to Pike Creek Farm. My name is Renee, and if this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. I like to do videos on canning and baking and vintage recipes, and during the summer I do videos on the veggie box I get from my local produce farmer. And this week it was overflowing. It all wouldn't fit in the box. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing, and I'm going to show you what I got, and I don't even know everything yet. So we're going to find out together. And the first thing, look at this broccoli. It's like, I guess it's like 3. But lots and lots of broccoli. And I love broccoli. Some of this might end up actually getting blanched and froze. I got 3 slicing tomatoes. Those are always good. We like BLTs. We like them just sliced with salt and pepper to go on with dinner. Tomato sandwiches, salads. We just like them. And then also this tomato, one of the heirloom ones. He said this was a good one, but it needs to be eaten right away. So that will be first. Okay. Oh, another little head of the romesco. This is good roasted. I've never had enough to blanch it before and freeze it, so I don't know about that. So that we'll probably just eat. Oh my. This is a really big kohlrabi. Really, really, really big. My one friend was telling me that she made a relish with beets and kohlrabi in it. She said it was a little labor intensive, but it was really good. So cabbage leaf. Cauliflower. Some of that might end up blanched too. Last year I didn't have to buy any broccoli or cauliflower from the stores, frozen or anything. I had enough froze here, so that's pretty cool. Head of cabbage. I love cabbage. Last week I did cabbage steaks. I have a big head of cabbage left still. I might do cabbage rolls again and freeze them. We do like those. And it's easy just to get them done and in the freezer, and it makes really quick dinners during the winter. Okay, there's still more coming. He told me I probably only had one of these, a little snacking pepper. There'll be more coming next week. But I do have bell peppers and jalapenos. And they're so nice and crisp and fresh. We got cucumbers. We got 1, 2, 6 ears of corn. Zucchini. Potatoes. These are, I'd say red skins, but they're shaped almost like the fingerling. They're not the round ones that I usually get. I'm gonna have to ask him what those are. 2 yellow onions, garlic, a stray potato, melon. Probably have this with breakfast tomorrow. I'm probably gonna make homemade bagels. My daughter's coming and our son is coming. Jim's son is coming from across the state. It's my birthday weekend, my birthday tomorrow. So Saturday, I'm recording this Friday. Red onion, so they will be here. And that is everything this week. I don't have my meal plan done yet, but I am going to try and process some of this and put in the freezer. It's time of year where I need to start doing that, along with, using these with our daily meals. And let me know what you're getting from your area now. Like if you notice there was no beets this week. Beets must be gone till later. So we'll see you next time at Pike Creek Farm.